So we are back now. NASDAQ trading. What a day. I love these days. As a trend follower, these days are just juice of excitement for me. And what we can see, we have seen, and this is interestingly, they got, of course, traders who have got trapped, but interestingly, both participants of the market, the trend followers and also the scalpers, day traders, and short-term period or time frame traders on 30 seconds, 1 minute time frame, both had the possibility of making very good profits today. And I will mention it a little bit. These days are very seldom, but at the end of the day, no matter if you have been bull, a buyer, or a seller, a bearish seller, a day trader, a trend follower, you must have been now in profit. This is a very special day. Like some other days in the past, it's not happening every day, I can say, and I must confess. But before doing it, I have just a question. If you look now at this price chart, what can you see? So I tell you what I can see. The price came somewhere here from the beginning, and then you see here where it's green, then the market went up, and then it's coming down, right? So we have a big peak. And now look, this is the same price. What can you see now? This is exactly the same price, but the chart have been changed. And now the next one, exactly the same price. I go back again, look at this. And look at this. It's exactly the same price from 3 different point of view, and now a little bit bigger. Exactly the same price from another point of view trader, and another trader, and another trader, right? So for a long-term trader, he sees that the current price of NASDAQ, 16,285, is still very high. So, and this is a normal price at a double top, possibly at a double top. Then we have intermediate long-term investor who are using this trader. The long-term investor has only a buy and hold strategy, okay? Then this is the trend follower who is trading just on higher time frames, so monthly, yearly, and so on. And to him, we see we had also a period of the market where the market comes down, but he uses also this moment possibly to take some profits here, not everything, but a little bit, or to hedge the account short to the other side. And then let's say he has been buying the market here, then the market is here, and then now he sees that the market will go maybe deeper, yeah? And he wants to protect some of his profits. What can he do? Well, he can, for example, take some profits, close some positions. He can also at the same time take some short trades, some selling trades on the same time he is long, yeah? And he sells the market from here to here, right? Again, he sells the market from here to here, and then once the market starts to rise up, he takes profit of the shorts he had here, and he buys again more, and because he has been buying here and here and here, now the average of his trades is also higher, and the market rises higher. And then again here, the market is going down until the price of today. What can he do again? He sells the market, waits until the market rises up again, and then he liquidates the shorts. So the same, a trend follower who is now trading maybe over 2 years or 3 years, right? So let's say he have been selling the market here, and then the price came down back here and so on, right? Then a monthly trader, possibly, he buys the market here, he lets go, and then somewhere here he sells the market, he goes short, he takes a little profit, or maybe I don't know what his system is. The market runs maybe temporarily against him. He takes this losing trade and goes immediately long again and so on. And optimally, he has to be short here. Then this trader is very interesting. It is dependent on your trading style, and possibly he has been selling the market here, NASDAQ, and now as the market starts to go up here, possibly he has been taking profit and based on his system going short and the market coming down. So he needs to hope that the market gets up again and not come down or below this entry level. The other possibility is that he stays with the trend until, because he has maybe another or some other parameters, and then he waits until the market goes deeper, huh? Because that's what he's expecting. The more the market is going deeper, he's selling, the more profit he's making then over time. And now these are traders who are on daily high level time frame, he was selling the market here, right? So let's say he has a signal that the market will go up, he starts to buy, the market goes temporarily against him. So recommendable is that he has a good stop level that is not bigger than 1 or 2% of his account, because if the market goes deeper, and guess what, if you are making this trade and you are making then 10 losses over time, and each losing trade is 5%, after 10 trades you have lost 50% of your account, right? Because that's the reason that money management matters. And then he buys the market goes up, then the market is coming down here. Now he got a sell signal to taking profit, and he is now short. Possibly he is in the market, or he is long again. All right. So you see there are different traders, many traders, each one looking at another time frame, and they are looking and watching the same price, but from different point of views, right? So we can continue this, and we can go to lower time frame. What I try to say is there is nothing wrong about on which time frame you do trading. Important is that you have a solid trading strategy. If on your time frame, it is, for example, 1 minute time frame, your trading plan says now, based on the price of 16,330, the market will go up again. Buy, and you buy, you should know before entering the market where is your stop level, and most importantly, where do you want to get out. This is the case, for example, if you're a scalper, if you're a day trader, meaning you open a trade today, you close the trade also open today. That means through the weekend you have no open trades, okay? For a trend follower, is this just irrelevant? Because based on his trend following strategy, maybe for this trader who is trading on the daily time frame, you see now he has a buy signal, but for an intermediate trend follower, this is just a correction of the markets. A correction means he is short, he expecting that the market goes deeper, and temporarily the market is coming against him. It does not necessarily means that he is wrong. He is trading his trend following trade plan. That's all. And he doesn't care what I think or you think about him. The same is that you don't care what I or this trader are thinking about your strategy, okay? So, and important is to know what is correction. In trading, a correction is usually defined as a decline of the market or increase of the market in the opposite direction of the market. And it has very, very important meaning. We had today the non-farm payroll data and another data that are really, really good, strong for US dollar. What happened? The market ran to the opposite direction temporarily. Here in NASDAQ we can see it very well, trend down, the market running higher, and in Dixie the market went down. So does it mean now if I am wrong or you are wrong? Well, I don't know, maybe, but maybe not. It depends on what trading strategy we are following or sticking to. If you are a scalper and you're gonna have been now selling the market, then I would say no, I won't do that because the trend is going down. But based on my specific trading plan and time frame I am to trade on. And therefore, the only indicator that is always right, always 100% is the price. In my case, I have been selling the market here. So at around, let's make a test. So my trend following indicator told me, okay, now stay at the market. The market is going, I am long, right? You can see it based on this green color. So, and I stay long, while other people are chanting, it's going down, you are no good trader, you are a loser, whatever. I don't care what they say. My trading system says stay long, and I just obey and follow like a soldier to what my trading system says. And now look what's happening. The market is moving lower. I'm still long because I have been possibly buying the market somewhere here. Yeah, we can say, for example, here. So we have been buying the market, and we have, you see, we always have, it doesn't matter on what time frame you are, also here. So you see, I was buying the market here, the market came up, and then look, then a drop, and then what happened? I stayed long while others were selling. They have been making temporarily some profit based on trading systems, but now look, the market is going higher and higher, right? So, and then we need to know now what's happening. So I still am long, while others say, no, the market is going down, but my system says, based on my parameters, we stay still long until I say, so you see here, the market coming down, and now I go short. And now system says, all right, parameters okay, you can go short. We are sure we will go much more deeper, take profit, or even if you have been buying higher, take the loss, go away, because possibly this loss will be greater. And it is a good decision I'm taking now, what the system is saying. And you see all the time. So I'm following just my trading system, right? Trading strategy. That is a trend following strategy. Follow the price. That's all. So, and following a price is subjective. For example, you can say, yes, okay, on 1 second chart, the price down. Then the next bar is high. You buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Of course, it is also a strategy. What I don't recommend, because too intense trading, buys and sells, entries and exits, that will cause your account first. The second one is the real moves happen on higher time frames, right? So now look what's happening. We are on 5-minute time frame, right? So I get stop it here and look here, where we have been selling the market, right? We have not been selling the market necessarily here. We sold the market here, and then the market went down, 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 until here. Now here, a lot of people are fighting each other. They say, hey, don't listen to him, you will lose money, buy. Of course, he's right? Not to listen to me, but he's right, because temporarily, on his time frame, the market is running higher. But on my specific time frame, based on my trading strategy, what happens? I see the market coming down. So, 2 heads, 4 eyes, 2 brains, see the same price from different perspective. And now, so the short-term trader, if I put him as a shorter trader, then I would buy the market here, but I will immediately sell the market, take profit before it goes down. If now he becomes greedy and he doesn't stick to his trade plan, he will make big losses, all right? As a trend follower, it's more relaxed to me because I have time. I know that whenever I take the trend and follow the trend, over time, I will make always profit. Not always, but in 90% of time, if you have a good trend following system, that matters. But I exactly know also if I will hurt my trading rules and trade against the price. Of course, I will also make losses, but also very big losses. So, most traders, no matter where you are trading or trading strategy is, must follow a bunch of specific trading rules, but with highest amount of discipline, right? A trend follower like me, for example, if the market is running against him temporarily, he must stay cool because he said, dude, the market is running against us, but the trading indicator, my indicator says red, stay short, right? So, and if I want to be smarter than the market, because it's calculated based what the market is doing, right? Not what people say. And I want to be, I am emotional, I am reading a lot of opinions, and I say somebody says, yeah, buy, and I start to buy, but my indicator says, God, what did you do? Now you know what? It's time to punish you. Better the market says it, and the price goes immediately against me, and now look what's happening. Then we are coming to what here happens. So, and then at the end, you are in good profit, right? So, is it every day so? No, of course not. If you, for example, at this level, so these are my posts of yesterday, and also the Asian Open, very low, very high numbers. So I knew today will become a very bearish day. Why did I knew that? because the market opened below the low range of yesterday. So, but with very, very extremely high selling numbers. So that means I said to myself, okay, my trading strategy says short, but also now based on this technical, what I can consider, maybe today the non-farm payroll will be very, very big. And there are some big guys on the market, billionaires, trillionaires, people who have a lot of money, I'm saying you, we cannot imagine how much. And they have extremely good contacts, and they have very good network team of information insiders. And they have been told the number will be very bad, so NASDAQ will go deeper. And they instantly sold the market and got slipping. And then this happens. And then the market today in European session and then later in the US. So what happened? The news released. I am a trend follower. After the news, the algos, interestingly, moved the same direction like the big guys. It's happening not every day because they move to the other direction. And then the market came up to 16,241. I knew the first move is always for the algos. Stuck there, and then the market went up a little bit at around 16,350. And then I got the next signal. I went short again. So I was short higher. I increased my shorts. And the market, look, runs against me. All right. Now as trend follower, I exactly know where to put my stops, right? And I don't, for example, put my stops here above this high. And that even on 5 minutes, dude, I should be very crazy if I'm doing it. Of course I'm not doing it. My stop level is based on my capital of my trading account. So, and my trading account allows me very well to put a wider stop, but that stop should not be greater than 0.5% of my account, maximum for this trade. Meaning even the NASDAQ runs very high and hits my stop, what I lose on this trade is maximum 0.1% to 0.5% of my account, right? That means 10 times in row, I must make the same losing trade. And then after 10 times, I just have lost 1% of my account. After 10 times, right? Then after 100 trades, if I make the trade and 100 trades after each other are all the time losers, after 100 trades, I must have been losing 10% of my account. So you see the probability that you make 10 trades after each other losers or 100 trades after each other losers is becoming lower. And then let's see how many trades I should make to lose 100% of the account, and the answer is 1,000. I mean 1,000 times I go in the market, I lose. I go in the market and each time I lose 1.1% of the account. After 1,000 trades, I must have been losing all my money, right? This is something utopian, right? Something, but mathematically, of course, possible, right? Okay, so, and therefore I stay with the account. I don't care what that the market is temporarily is against me. So, and then my indicator all the time stays short. All right, now time for me to take the next short. at around 16,370 something. Why? Because if I look back, I say, in the past, there are many levels where the bears in a bearish market trend attack the market. So, for example, if the bears attack the market from here, the market is coming up. And then the bulls attack, but the bears protect this zone very well. Then they push down the market maximum. The bears get trapped or hopefully took some profits. The market come up again. And then again at this zone, the bears say, no, thank you. You had your chances, but enough for today. Not any more profit for you. Go home or go broke. That's all, right? And this is all about trading, right? And then if you have been staying, for example, as the bear, then as a day trader or scalper, then ideally you should have been taking your long profits. If not, then you should take now this bearish trade with the trend followers. And if you have been taking that trade, this must have been happened, right? Now you exactly trade in the direction of the trend, and ideally then you shall have been taking profit, or if not, then where do you want to put your stops? So here, well, it can happen because the day still is not over, so it's shortly before 2 p.m. EST time, meaning traders will come back and we will see what then happens. The day is still not over. So then the next stop, maybe here a little bit higher, right? So, okay, not bad level, or maybe here, very high. But I said, it matters where you put your stops and not to get out very, very fast, right? You get out very fast, but the market after hitting you goes exactly in your desired direction. But most importantly, how much of your capital are you going to risk? You cannot say, yesterday I made a trade, I put 0.1% of my account on the risk, and today I am taking a trade, my risk is 5%. And maybe then next week on Monday, you take another trade, you say 1%, and the next day 10%. It's not going to work. Why? It's not going to work. Number one, because the future is unknown, and trading is a business against uncertainty, unknown, right? What we can see as traders is just a bunch of data, indicators we have, and this price, not more, right? We have the Fed members are not our friends, not personally. Of course, I would like to have some, but I don't know them personally. All I see is just some sentences, some tweets, some pictures, and what they said, that's all, right? So, and if we had, I don't know if maybe this is the right person who can tell me the right information. It's not possible, right? So, therefore, we are trading or making deals against uncertainty all the time, every time. Every time you are taking a trade, and you can have the best world champion trading system like I am doing, but even there I know I should put always a stop loss. I never go blindly. Even I have extremely very high level of trading system, experience of the market, but my experience taught me before I enter a market, always I put my stop all the time. I never take a trade if my stop is above 0.1% of my account. Even that trade I have not been taking should be good profitable, right? I say, yes, that's okay. Let's see, I take this trade this time. But the next time, I think because I have been in the past taking those trades, and this time it will gonna happen again to me, what does the market? The market runs through me, through my trades, through my account, wiping me out of the market. And I'm not going to risk that. And this is also discipline, right? Because I mean, you're making great work to build your trading strategy, and then you have sets of rules. You have been investing a lot of time, energy, investigation behind of it to make your trading strategy, and then you start to hurt your own trading rules. What doesn't seem like? It's the beginning of taking bad habits, control over you, and rule you, right? If I would, for example, make this buy trade and going against my trading system, which is currently red or showing the market is going down, and then it would mean first, I'm not respecting my own trading system. Secondly, I'm not respecting my trading rules. Thirdly, and that's very terrible, I'm beginning to be a very undisciplined trader, and over time, I will lose everything, right? Let's say millions of profits are made. I will lose everything, sooner or later. Why? Because today you start to have bad habits, and all the good emotions combined with those bad habits, like you make today very good profits by hurting your rules, and those emotions to be happy is standing there in your brain, right? And every time you get impatient, you have that good emotion, right? You are happy, excited, and I cannot wait anymore. I want to go in the market now. And then later you get trapped, and then you have sad habits, sad emotions, right? So it's just being in a roller coaster, being blind, right? So running from A to B, from right to left, jumping out, but you don't know where do you want to go, right? Like in real life. So, and it has very, very big roots in life why you maybe are behaving this. So maybe you can start to think over your personality. Are you a quick thinker, a relaxed thinker, someone who has big patience, who is impatient? And answering that, you will find your trading style, your trade plan, and also your trading strategy. And once you have found it, you must and you need to stick to that. It doesn't matter what kind of trading strategy you have. It only matters that you are improving by having discipline. Let's say you take your first trade is loser. You cannot say, my trading system is shit. I'm sorry. But even after 5 trades or 8 or 10 trades in a row, but after the 11th trade, your system producing one after each other. Profits, what you cannot name it. Profits after profits. All your losses of your 10 losers are compensated. Your account, you are making your account bigger and bigger. And why? Because you stick to your plan. Ask athletes, world champions, football players, martial art, sport athletes, and so on. Do you think they have been winning every game? Do you really think they have been winning every race? Do you think they didn't have even days? They have been crying, full of pain, because they didn't achieve the goals, but they stick to it with highest amount of discipline to achieve it? Do you think that those legends like Muhammad Ali, this is one of my favorite, not boxer, but great personalities I love. Do you think that Muhammad Ali was sitting there and saying, I'm been losing because other people, it's their fault, they are guilty that I am being losing my match. They don't like me because I am a colored person. Do you think he was thinking that? Then you must be very stupid, my friend, if you think that. Muhammad Ali has successes, but also losses. And at the end, he was the legend. Not only in the boxing arena, but also in real life. And then he was fighting against his biggest battle of all time, his Parkinson disease. Do you know what is Parkinson? Do you know that? Do you know how hard these people every day are suffering under this sickness with the highest level of discipline and power of fighting against them, against this illness, and for being alive and staying in life and to get healthy because they have discipline. They do everything. I know someone, and I love this person over my own life, and this person is suffering under Parkinson and PSA. PSA is the most worst illness that's much more, 10 times, 100 times more harder than Parkinson. For Parkinson, they have found medicals and drugs. For this illness, what this person has, it's no drug has been found. The medicines worldwide, they don't know what they do. I'm talking about the best possible doctors on our planet, Nobel Prize takers. So, but this person, I am trying to visit her as often as possible. And I told this person, I'm very sad every time I see you. You are smiling, but my heart is bleeding. Do you know what she answers me? She told me, it happened because it happened. It doesn't help me to think about that. I have no time to think about that. Instead, I keep to my program. Waking every day, making every day my sports, doing as good as I can my daily routines, and exactly know how much pain this person has. But the problem is, no money of this world at this moment can help this person and all the humans out there who are suffering under this sickness, because they have not found any, not even 1% of those medication or drugs to help these people who are suffering that. Right? And this woman is so strong, but very disciplined, right? So what are you telling me? Losing money is not losing your life. Of course it matters. But you don't want to lose your money? Then stick to your plan. Before having a plan, you must first have a trade plan. A trade plan, a battle plan. Not go on the chats and copy trading. Just listening what other people say and then do this, and if you win, you tell your friends, Look, I am a good trader. And if you're losing, you say other persons are responsible for your losses. That's because you have no responsibility. That's your fault. That's your responsibility. And here is no place for making excuses. No excuses. The market does not owe you anything. I am not owing you anything. I'm making this video. You can say, okay, I'm watching this video, his indicator is red, I said now, and then tomorrow you come to me, say, yes, you made this video, I have been losing money. You must be a very stupid person. I'm telling to you very directly, if you do that. You are not only stupid, you are the most stupidest person on the planet, and you deserve it to lose. You deserve it if you trade that way. You want the other people do the work you must do. You are not only stupid, you are lazy. And I hate such humans. So, if you are going to have a trade plan, there are different possibilities. My only recommendation is have your trading plan first. Backtest your trading strategy first. Not one time, not 50 times, not 100 times, 10,000s of times, years, again and again. Test it, improve it, be better and better. Then test your trading strategy on a demo account. If you are making very good profit, then you can take a shot. You should not have, but you can. But be sure, even the best trading strategy is making losses. Important is you keep sticking to your trading plan, trading strategy, and you make no excuses. You don't show with fingers to other people. Who is taking that trade? You are pressing the button. You press buy or sell. Nobody is threatening you. If you are not buying, we will kill you, or if you are not selling, we will kill you. No one. And be sure, you can be right or wrong. People talk about you. I don't fucking share about it. I don't care. Those people who have been making money with your signals, sometimes attacking, sometimes it's just a rainy day. It's rainy and then sunny and then cloudy and then warm, then right? But there are also some people who respectfully are communicating, and those people deserve the highest amount of my respect. And with those people, I am talking in respectful manner. If someone is attacking me, I hit back. I first hit back and then I talk. Like the sledgehammer. So that's trading. And always you need to know, like today, all the data, nearly 90% of the data in favor of the US dollar. What happened? The dollar came down very fast. Everyone, maybe scalpers were right, but unexperienced traders, there are people who had no trading plan or no clue about trading. They all got trapped. And what's the market doing? Dollar is going up again. Why? Because the Fed now is not anymore under pressure to cut the rates. And all these data confirm the labor market is not overheating. We will have a soft landing. And now the expectations to raise the cuts is not over the table, but it's limited down. Therefore, some people took immediately profits that will cause more selling orders, for example, more buying short traders, were wanted to take some profit, so they had new short, and then they closed the short, so they must have been close by. And then we had the scalpers, the bottom traders, the day traders, whatever you name it. They had then new buys, right? All buys ordered together, pushed up the price, getting up to the gap. And then at a certain level, those traders who were buying sold the market, and the trend followers and other short traders increased their positions, right? So, and all these orders together, because you need to know, remember, go again at the beginning of the video, you need to know there are always many traders on different time frame, they are using different strategies. They look at the same price, but guess what? Everyone is trading exactly the same price. We see differently. And this is trading, friends, right? I wish you're having a nice weekend. Now, after 2 o'clock, what is the market doing? So, the market still, based on my indicator, short, right? And sticking in the middle. We wait until 40.30 to see what's happening 40.30. If the market is going through the low, or maybe the opening price, it's near of the opening price of today in Asia. And if the market is going to stop there, or maybe the market is going to break below that, or maybe the market is going to make new daily higher highs, it can also be possible the market making new daily higher highs. Why not? Possible is everything, no? Why? Because the price is always right? So I am prepared. I hope you too have a good trading day. This week, the first week of 2024, was very intense. So I hope all of you have been very profitable and very happy. And we see you next time.